So in this Yahoo Finance tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to view the income statement of a stock on Yahoo Finance. So once you have the Yahoo Finance application opened up, the first thing you have to do is select a stock of your choosing. So for this demonstration, how about I go to the search bar right here, the Discover tab, and how about I go to Trending Equities right here, and I'll just use the first one of Microsoft, ticker symbol MSFT. Now, if you wanted to view the income statement for Microsoft or any stock for that matter, it works the exact same way. Just scroll down to the bottom here a little bit lower to where it says Summary, Analysis, and Financials. Simply just go ahead and press on Financials right here. Then scroll down to where it says View More and press on that. Now, as you can tell in the top left, the income statement actually is selected. So by doing this, by default, it actually does bring you to the income statement. So the income statement right here is on an annual basis. If you want to view the income statement on a quarterly basis, just below income statement, it says annual and quarterly. Press on quarterly right here. Then you can view the income statement on a quarterly basis, or as I mentioned before, if you were to go back to annual, you can scroll down and see the total revenue, the cost of revenue, gross profit, operating expenses, net income, all this sort of stuff that goes towards and inside of the balance sheet you can view on this screen right here. So fairly straightforward, but that is how to view the income statement of a stock here on Yahoo Finance. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.